It's I guess it's 2:59 a.m. and I thought I heard something outside, but it wasn't what I thought it was. But I did hear the birds. And I'm like, usually the birds don't come out until 3:30 in the morning. And now they're here at 3. Can you hear them? Plus, we had the first time I heard the cicadas. It was right before that storm. Can you hear the bird? Sounds like just one bird this time. It's coming from over that direction. Jeez, look at how purple that is now. Jeez. I remember when it first started turning purple, just a little. Whoa, now it actually looks purple too. What in the world? But when at first it looked white, but it just emitted, the street and the building looked purple. And now it looks purple itself. Look at all the purple coming out of it. That don't look right. That's a street light? Well, I was messing with the brightness, but it didn't seem to change anything. Anyway, I was just trying to hear the bird, then we saw the purple light. See, like, look at this one. That's white. And I believe they're the same LED ones. There's the bird, can you hear it? I just thought, wow, now it's 3 a.m. and the bird's there. Usually there's another one that sounds like it's close over here. But this one sounds like it's off in the distance, past out there. All right. Ooh. Yeah, I don't want to let mosquitoes in. Thanks for watching, God bless.